So today is 15th of November and I'm doing the intro now for my blog, which I did on 13th and 14th of November. Okay, it was Saturday, so I painted these two tables which was in my garage since very long. I didn't even share with you all, but it was there, and like my husband wanted to throw when we were moving in here. Then I thought, no, I got white paint in the house, so why not I will just try painting it. In one of my videos, like you should have seen that I painted the bar stool, which was like black. The legs was black, but uh, I painted it white, but like it was a pinkish kind of color because that day I couldn't find my white paint. But like on like Saturday, like I found the white paint. Me and Isha, we decided to paint the stool fully white. Like she helped me so much that day. She painted the stools with me. Like it turned out so good, you all. Like literally it was so dirty, like it wasn't good, but like after painting, like literally it looks amazing. And also I painted my coffee table, which was in the lounge area. So literally I want everything white in the house. I don't know, like I love white. So if you want to see the blog, you should continue watching and you will see everything. And also I did the hair treatment that day, and like no, I did on Sunday on 14th. So yeah, everything is in this video. You can just watch and see what we were up to on 13th and 14th of November. Okay, so keep on watching. This is koala tea I'm drinking in the bathroom, and like this is Australian certified organic tea, and this has like turmeric and lots of other good ingredients. Okay, it's really nice yellow tea. I just love it. This is the oil I have used, and this oil I made at home. So I have been using this since 3 weeks now, and I literally like it. And I just woke up, okay? I woke up late today, and one of my videos just went up, and I just thought of just like showing you all this oil I made. And like if you all want to see like how I made this oil, do leave me a comment, message me, I will make a video. So yeah, it takes a while to make this oil, okay? And like the ingredients I have used are really good for our hair. Like it will make your hair grow, and also the hair will not fall a lot. So yeah, this is really good. It was up to here, and I've used since 3 weeks now. So yeah, my husband is using too. So yeah, you can store this for a month outside. So yeah, it's hot here, but still the oil is good. So yeah, I'll use this, then I'll remake it, and maybe I'll share with you all how I make this oil. So yeah, last time I was like making the oil, then I realized that I didn't film. So yeah, I have to do it again. So yeah, I literally like the oil, and yeah, my hair is all oiled today. See you all later. I just had my shower, and like I kept the oil for a few hours, like from morning till afternoon. Like it's 3 p.m. now. So you saw area. So I can see like there's a huge difference in my hair, and I can't say much because I only tried this oil 4 times, okay? So I literally like the oil. Okay, so this is how my lounge area looks at the moment. Okay, I changed it. I did vacuum in the morning and like brought my table in, and like this is the glass top as it was before on top of this table, and this is how this table looks at the moment. Looks really nice. Love white. It's so matching my that TV unit. And look at this, you all, like how it was before and now look at it. Like it looks so pretty. I just love this the table, like tall table. It's so nice here. Love the lamp on top of this table. Literally so pretty. Let me remove the blur. Okay, so you can see properly. So literally I love this area now. This glass top wasn't for wasn't made for this table, but like it was on a computer desk. I did throw the computer desk away, so I kept the glass. One is in my beauty room and one is here. So it's really pretty. It has the map on here which you can't see properly. I don't know, I think it's different way. No, I think I put the wrong way. Okay, but like it looks nice. The map is on the other side. I will change it, but like I literally love this tall side table. Okay, look at this one. Eliza was sitting here, so yeah, her head is here. Okay, so it's really pretty. Love it. I can put something there too, but I'm not like putting much things because like I literally like less things here, because like we don't even use this area much, but it looks really pretty, and like it's black and white here only, and that gold cushion is there just because I'm keeping two lamps like which are similar color. So yeah, that's why, and it's really nice, pretty, and I'm planning to put my Christmas tree there, I think, because this is the area where we don't come much. Only girls come and also cats come. Okay, so yeah, it's really nice, pretty. So I'm back in my beauty room. I didn't do much here, but like I changed a bit. I did move the jewelry cabinet there because I don't have space that side. That's why, and like it looks nice. Okay, so yeah, this area looks like this. It's nice. Hi. How was the painting yesterday?
It was amazing.
Yeah.
I really enjoyed it. I had so much fun painting the chairs. It was...
Oh, I changed the picture. It looks so cute, no? Looks pretty. Hey, Isha.
Yeah, that girl looks pretty.
Huh?
Yeah, that one looks pretty.
Oh, that's so cute, Eliza, Isha.
I really
Edwin.
liked that. I really liked that dress. That dress was really pretty.
Oh, I got 3.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is it. Okay, yeah, 2 companies sent me those things. Like, they are there, so I can't show you all now.
Yeah, it's
but
secret.
It's a secret, but you all will see in TikToks anyway, and Reels, and here on YouTube. So yeah, I have not, like, I don't even have much to share in this video, but you can see my hair. It's just so pretty, and like today is my rest day. I didn't even work out today. Today, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, I'm gonna rest because I've been working out so hard since like 4 days, and like I'm very tired now, so I can't, like, I am resting for 3 days, then like everything will begin again. So yeah, you all take care. I hope you liked this video. If you want me to do more videos like this, then subscribe, like, comment and share. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Bye, noobs.